Unforgiving alarm clock history. The very first alarm clock ever invented could only ring at 4 a.m. Forget about sleeping in or hitting snooze. Imagine being yanked out of bed at the exact same time every morning, with no way to change it, all because of one stubborn piece of technology. In 1787, Levi Hutchins built this mechanical marvel in New Hampshire, but he didn't design it for the masses. He made it just for himself, to make sure he'd never be late to work on his family's farm. The clock's gears and bells were meticulously set to rattle his world awake at a single, unchangeable hour. Workers back then didn't have the luxury of setting their own alarms, and customized wake-up calls were just science fiction. If you needed to wake up at a different time, you had to rely on the sun, a rooster, or hope that your neighbor was loud enough to do the job. The snooze button? That was a fantasy for another century. For 18th century workers, the alarm clock was less of a helpful gadget and more of an inflexible drill sergeant, demanding your attention at the crack of dawn and never letting you forget who was in charge.